Good morning, children. I have already introduced you the topic, the truth. I gave you the introduction saying that truth, when we say the truth, it is good. You become a confident person. Truth makes you a confident person. Truth makes you better person. Your character release in you when you say the truth. When you say the lies, you are no way concerned in this truth. What is a poem? This is a poem you are going to learn about truth. It says, truth says, say what you want. Say whatever you want to. But mean what you say. Whenever you say the truth, you must mean that it is a truth. Remember the darkest. Remember the darkest. That means whatever you have done in the past, what wrong you have done in the past, you must remember the darkest moments, the lights of the day. That means the day whatever mistake you have done and you are committing and telling the truth to the other person. Be who you are. Be who you are means be what you are. Be yourself. Don't see someone else and act like them, or put a new face and pretend to say I am good, all that. So do as you please. Do as you please means you can do whatever you want, because it is a country where we are living with freedom. So do as you please. The truth is going to bring you to your knees. So when you say the truth, what you do? You go on bended knees. Mommy, I'm sorry. Daddy, I'm sorry. You say. Why? Because you told the lies and now you are telling the truth. So the truth will bring you to your knees. The truth is that we all need. What is that the truth? When we say the truth, we go in a better way. The truth is a mystery. The truth is the end of a mystery. That means whatever you have done in the past or whatever you have said in the past, so you are revealing the truth. You are telling the truth to other person. See, I have done this, and that is ended. That means ended means it is forgiven. The truth is out there. You will see. Whenever you say the truth, you are confident. Your character relieves in you, and you are a better person. The truth is out there for you and me. Whenever we say lies, we know what we are going to get out of it. But the truth will bring you to achieve your goal. The truth is out there. The search is not in vain. That means when you say the truth, the search. No need to tell the lies. If you tell lies, you have to go in vain again. In vain means what? What is the meaning of vain? Underline the word vain. Underline the word search. So that means you find the meaning of search and vain. The truth is out there in the rain. So, this is a poem. I cannot read. So, the truth is out there in the rain. That means even when there. Say what you want, better you believe. The truth is a goal we all must achieve. So, read the poem once again. Underline the heart. This is what I tell you, children. Say what you want, but better you believe. The truth is a goal we all must achieve. When we say the truth, it is the goal that we have achieved. That means no one will again question us why we did this, why did you tell this. So whenever you are a truthful person, they will not let you ask questions. They will believe in you that you are a truthful person. So this is a lesson for you to learn to be truthful. Whatever you do, even if you don't do your homework, or you did not learn a line, or you did not learn a word, all that is truth. Ma'am, I did not do. Say first and foremost. But don't say, ma'am, I did it, I forgot my book. Many of you all will say this. So that is not required. Now when you know the truth is this is how you relieve yourself. Now, what I want you to do is read the lesson, go thoroughly with it, see whatever you can do. Can we do the rhyming words in this? Say what you want, mean what you say. Remember the darkest, the lights of the day. Be what you are, do as you please. So what are the rhyming words are here? Mean, please, bring you to your knees. The truth is that we all need. Then the truth is out there, you will see. The truth is out there for you and me. The truth is out there, the search is in vain. The truth is out there in the rain. Say whatever you want, but better you believe. The truth is a goal that we all must achieve. Believe, achieve is one rhyming word. Rain and vain, another rhyming word. Rhyming words you can do. Then write it down. So for today, go home, read the poem. Whatever you can note down the rhyming words, note down the hard words, learn the first 6 lines. So what are the six lines you will learn? Say what you want, mean what you say, remember the darkest lights of the day, be what you are, do as you please. The truth is going to bring you to your knees. The truth is that we all need. Till there you learn. These lines you learn. Let me see who can read it and learn. Let me see the intonation. Don't say how you say a poem. A poem is to be said with intonation and correct pronunciation. So if you can repeat after me, it will be better. Say what you want, mean what you say. Remember the darkest lights of the day. Be who you are. Do as you please. The truth is going to bring you to your knees. The truth is that we all need. So this is how you say a poem with the intonation and the rhythmic way of saying the poem. Thank you, children.